I want to look at what a line is, really. So if we are going to graph a line, whatever the line happens to be, what does it mean? What does it give us? Why do we do this? So let's look at the line y equals, let's do 2/3 x minus 1. And we know when we graph this, we start at our y-intercept, which is -1, and then we repeatedly count our slope. So we're going to go up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. And we can repeat that process and go down 2 over 3 in so long as from left to right it's going up 2 over 3. And then we can draw in our line. And let's see if I can draw a straight line. Okay, so here's our line. Now, what is a line? What is this graph? What does it even mean? Well, what we know is that each and every point along the line represents a solution to the equation. And what does it mean to be a solution? Well, we know to be a solution means it makes the statement true. So let's just pick some points along the line and let's show what that looks like. So let's say I pick the point, let's do that ordered pair, which is the ordered pair 3, 1. And let's plug it in for my x and my y in my equation. Now remember, my equation was y equals 2/3 x minus 1. So if in place of the y, I put a y value of 1, and in place of the x value, I put what the x value we got was just 3 into the equation, and I make sure it works, make sure it makes a true statement. So I get 1 equals 2/3 of 3 is 6/3, and 6/3 is just 2. So I get 1 equals 2 minus 1, or 1. Well, that's a true statement. Well, let's make sure this works for all of them. If I pick any point, so let's pick this ordered pair, which is the ordered pair -6, -5. And let's make sure that it works as well. So let's start with y equals 2/3 x minus 1. And in place of y, I'm going to put what y equals, which is -5, equals 2/3 x, and in place of x, I'm going to put the -6 minus 1. And let's just verify that this works. I would get -5 equals -12 over 3 minus 1. -5 equals -4 minus 1. And -5 equals -5. That's a true statement. So you can see that each and every point along this line is a solution to the equation, or is a solution to the line.